Alright guys, I searched online for instructions on how to install the body to pan seal on a Karmann Ghia or on a Bug, and didn't find it. So I thought I would shoot one real quick on how I'm doing it, and it's working for me. So the seal comes coiled up in one piece. You have to cut it to size. So what I did is I cut a little piece of cardboard, as you see there, and I use it against the side here as I am spraying adhesive. It can be any adhesive spray, I think. I'm using whatever I had here, which is that pink one right there. This is what I have, but it's nothing specific. It's just whatever I have. So I installed it there. I sprayed it there all the way, very carefully here around the corner. And I let it dry a little bit to get some tack. And then, you just come laying it. Just come laying it. Remember, the glue is not here for the seal will be pressed between the body and the pan. So the glue is not here to hold the seal in place for life. It's just here to hold the seal while you are laying down the body on the pan, right? I hope it makes sense. So you don't need to worry much about the glue. It can be anything that will hold it just for this, 10 minutes that will take it to lower that, or less. All right, so that's it. I am in the process of laying this side. And of course I'm gonna need both my hands, but you get the idea, right? So you come here, and what I did, like I did on the other side, I used some clamps to hold it on the corner here because it won't stay. It simply won't stay. The glue is not tacking off. So I'm putting that on until it dries. It looks like it's bulging up a little bit right there. But again, that's how I did it. And then you do the same thing on both sides here. Here and here. As you can imagine, to make this curve up here will be tough. That curve will be tough. The rubber will do it, but it's not going to stay like that. So you're going to have to find a way to clamp it, tape it, or something. Put something heavy on top of it. I'm going to have to figure it out. But again, so that's it. One piece, two pieces, three pieces, four pieces, right there, all the way to the other side. All right, that's it, guys. Should be easy enough.